Your brain is vital to daily life, helping you stay focused and alert. Fortunately, there are plenty of healthy drinks that can give your brain the boost it needs to perform at its best. If you're looking to enhance mental clarity and concentration, we've got you covered. In this guide, we'll explore the top 9 drinks that promote brain health. All recommendations are unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Let's dive in. 1. Kombucha. This fermented tea is a probiotic-rich option that supports gut health, which is closely tied to brain function. Kombucha is also loaded with B vitamins like folic acid and B12, which help maintain energy levels and cognitive performance. 2. Clove tea. Clove tea is a fragrant option with numerous health benefits. Cloves contain eugenol, an antibacterial compound that promotes heart health and reduces inflammation. This tea is also known for improving respiratory health and soothing pain, making it a versatile addition to your brain-boosting repertoire. 3. Turmeric ginger tea. This ancient remedy combines turmeric, rich in curcumin, with ginger root for a potent brain-boosting blend. Curcumin has neuroprotective properties and may reduce inflammation linked to Alzheimer's. Ginger enhances circulation and balances blood sugar levels. Together, they create a warming, spicy tea that sharpens focus and mental clarity. 4. Blueberry juice. Delicious and nutrient-packed, blueberry juice is rich in vitamin C, magnesium, and anthocyanins, compounds proven to enhance cognitive function. Studies show that blueberries can protect against memory loss, Alzheimer's disease, and other neurological conditions. With antioxidants that combat inflammation and lower blood pressure, this drink supports both brain and overall health. 5. Coffee. As one of the world's most popular beverages, coffee is renowned for improving memory, concentration, and mood. Its caffeine content stimulates dopamine and adrenaline, increasing focus and alertness. Rich in antioxidants, coffee may also reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. 6. Orange juice, a classic choice. Orange juice is a powerhouse of vitamin C, folate, potassium, and fiber. These nutrients improve blood flow to the brain and may reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Vitamin C also supports neurotransmitter function, regulating mood, memory, and sleep cycles, while folate helps the body metabolize essential amino acids. 7. Green tea. Packed with antioxidants and bioactive compounds like L-theanine, green tea improves memory, attention, and relaxation. Caffeine in green tea works synergistically with L-theanine to enhance brain function, while its catechins protect against oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. 8. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is a nitrate-rich drink that improves circulation and oxygen delivery to the brain, enhancing mental performance. It contains folate and betaine, which support neuron health and regulate homocysteine levels, reducing nerve tissue damage. Additionally, beetroot boosts serotonin, promoting a positive mood. 9. Herbal tea. From chamomile to lemon balm, herbal teas offer relaxation and stress relief while supporting brain function. Aromatic oils and herbs can enhance memory and focus, making them a soothing and beneficial choice for mental clarity. While these drinks may not directly increase intelligence, they provide valuable nutrients and compounds to support optimal brain health. Try incorporating a few into your routine to see which ones work best for you. Remember, individual results may vary depending on your body chemistry.